Well everyone, Pokemon is about to turn 30 years old on February 27th, and it's absolutely mind-blowing how popular and how big Pokemon has gotten, and it's a global brand. I mean, I remember when I was 6, 7 years old, going to a Best Buy with my dad, picking up a Game Boy Color and Pokemon Blue, and the rest is history, and decades later, it is still part of my life. And again, Pokemon is going to have their presentation, Pokemon Presents, on February 27th. We're going to recap it here on the channel, so definitely get subscribed, but in the meantime, to celebrate the 30th anniversary, Pokemon actually sent over a behemoth of a package, as you can see right here, and I have no idea what's in here. It could be cards, it could be merch, it could be apparel, it could be just a bunch of random stuff that I have no idea, but I mean, look at the size of this thing. If I stand up, look at it. Absolutely insane, so let's open this up together and see exactly what we got inside of here. Let's get into it. So just to show off what's in the packaging itself, as you can see here on the front of it at least, you have the big Pokemon, the Pikachu, the 30-year anniversary, which is hopefully going to be on all the TCG cards, similar to the Celebrations set. And then you have on the back of it, in landscape form, you have like all the different Pokemon in this kind of like foil packaging. Again, this thing is gigantic, it's huge, and I'm excited to see what's in here. And let's just crack this open together for the first time. Grab my handy dandy little slicer. And here we go. Woohoo! This is sick. Wow. Okay. Let's pull this out. Whoa. Let's see. I don't think you guys can see it in real time with me. Whoa. This is crazy. Okay, so we have another package, which looks like even more stickers and stuff. It's kind of covered up. You have your what's your favorite Poke stuff is falling out of here already. Let's see. We have the what's your favorite Pokemon right here, which is awesome to see. Got smile for the thumbnail here. Ooh, little thumbnail capture. Let's see, let's open this up. There's like stickers falling out of here, but you have the whole kind of written part here. If you guys want to pause it and read it, go for it. But it's basically saying, what's your favorite Pokemon, February 27, 1996, and share your Pokemon snapshot. So, which way does this open? What's the easiest way to do this? Oh, I think it opens the other way. If I can kind of remove this. Whoa! Let me kind of reorganize this a little bit for you guys. All right, here it is, and this thing is full of goodies. So, I don't even know where to start here. We have a bunch of awesome stuff. Let's go and start off with... First off, I want to show off what is actually in here, or what it looks like when I opened it up. So you slide that, whoa, this thing is heavy. I keep almost dropping it. But you slide it off and you get a bunch of cool goodies in here. So you have what looks to be a poster, you have a little Eevee plush, some markers and sticks, you have a Mega Evolutions pack, a Mega Evolutions booster bundle, a little actual binder to sleeve up your cards if you want to, a picture frame, a selfie ring light. And I think the idea here is to share like what's your favorite Pokemon, put it on social, tag them, maybe put it, print something out, put it in here. I'm gonna try to hold it up here so nothing else falls, but you can see this is what it looks like. And we're gonna kind of one by one take things out and see what's inside. So first, let's start off with this poster, because this thing looks like it's gonna be pretty cool. And I think it has to do with the Super Bowl commercial, if you guys do remember that. So Super Bowl commercial was the whole what's your favorite Pokemon, the 30th celebration. And I think this is a poster. Oh, this is so cool. So I think this is the idea, right? They want you to have they want you to set it up like this. So it's Pokemon 30, Trevor Noah, he's a comedian, his favorite Pokemon is Psyduck. And then you can see that that's what it's looking like right there. So that is what this poster is. We'll put this off to the side. We also have a cool little Pokemon, ooh, a Flareon pop socket. Okay, a little Flareon pop socket. Very cool to see. What else do we have? We have a nice little sticker pack here with a bunch of different Pikachus, I think, if we open this up. I mean, you guys can see it right there. Hopefully there isn't a lot of glare, but that's what's being shown there, a couple stickers. We have this beautiful little Eevee plush. Again, I've never been a big Eevee fan. I mean, I kind of get it because it's got so many evolutions, but even in the early days, like I would get Eevee, turn him into Jolteon, and then that's pretty much it. But now Eevee's taking a whole kind of world of its own. But it's a very, very nice little plush. My daughter's gonna like that one. We have, ooh, some Train-On card sleeves. So the 30th anniversary card sleeves right there, as you guys can see. But kind of got a little glare there, but that's what we have in there. We have a random ring light. So again, this whole thing is about selfies and stuff like that. So there's a ring light right here if you guys need one. which is cool that they included that. We also have a Pikachu picture frame, which is interesting. This is actually pretty heavy duty. It's made out of, feels like porcelain, honestly, but again, a picture frame, 4x6 photo frame with a little Pikachu emblem there. And then we also have a bunch of these like little, I don't even know what to call these. I don't know, like those little foam pieces. You have your Pokemon 30. What's your favorite Pokemon? This like metallic sticker that we see here. Another one of these, as well as one to write your name. And I believe that's why they included a marker with some sticks, and it has a little tape honestly there as well, so you can kind of hold them up. I think that's what the whole point of it is. We also have a large deck box. I believe that's what this is, if this can come out. Ooh, yeah, look at this. A double deck box with dividers, and that's what the train-on dividers right here. Ooh, and they have a cool texture on the rear of them. I don't know if you can kind of see that on camera, but that's what that looks like. You can write your name on this as well. Close it up. It's magnetic. This thing is cool. Little train-on, as you can see. Very, very cool. You guys can see that right there. That was a very tight fit. And then, very cool that they included a Mega Evolutions booster bundle, which I'll probably open that honestly on camera right now in a second. And then a little, as you can see here, just a little binder to hold, I don't know, maybe like 15 to 20 cards, I believe. But you have the Gardevoir, the Lucario on the rear, the Mawile, the Absol, their Mega versions at least. So that's also in there. But that's everything that came in here that I can see. And maybe we'll read this in real time to see what it says here. So yeah, the big thing here is that you want to go if you're a Pokemon Go player, or even if you're not. What I was told is that you can actually download Pokemon Go, and if you don't even have to create an account, and you can do like a what's your favorite Pokemon, and then it'll augment whatever the Pokemon is onto you, and then you can take a selfie, share it however you see fit. But that's what this is saying right here. Anybody who has a Pokemon Go app, you don't need to have an account, you don't need to be a player, you can just use this, download it, and then take a picture with your favorite Pokemon. But let's actually open up the packs that we got, because we also have a loose, I believe, one loose Mega Evolutions pack also right here. And we're chasing here. So let's open these up and then finish up the video. So yeah, let's crack these open. We'll start off with this one right here. And we'll have 7 packs to open, which is cool. It's a nice little surprise that I wasn't expecting. But let's open it up and actually do it this way. I've actually never done it this way. Maybe you guys can see. Make sure that it's actually seeing everything. I know people do it like this. I can't even see the cards at this point because it's so far away. Let's see what this one even is. Shiftry. Again, we're chasing a couple cards here. We're chasing the Ivysaur, the Venusaur, any of the gold cards, of course. I can't even see if that's a pull or not. Ooh, we did get a pull. That's so funny. I can't even see. Okay, we got a Gargankle, full art, or illustration rare, I mean. And then the X-Vital. We'll put that in the new little binder that we got, which is cool. All right, so now let's open up this Mega Evolutions booster bundle. We have 6 more packs to go. So far, 1 for 1. Let's crack this thing open. And let me know if you guys like kind of this raw format. I am planning on, again, like we said, we're gonna recap Pokemon Presents, the presentation, 9 a.m. Eastern time for those people that are wondering. And then we'll actually be going to the Nintendo store in New York because they'll be doing a bunch of public stuff. So, I mean, anybody can go in between, I think, 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern time to kind of enjoy. I think there's like free stuff, pictures that you can take, just a big celebration for the Pokemon fanatics that, you know, people are. But here we go. So we got the regular Bulba, whatever that is. I'm trying to see what it actually is showing me. I don't know how people do this. This is crazy. That one guy, what's his name? Kiki Rips on YouTube. He does this so well. I'm also trying not to have any glare with the lights that I have. Vulpix. Spearow. Is that Raikou? Put that off to the side. So 5 more to go. And let me know what you guys are most excited for. I'm definitely going to be downloading Pokemon Fire Red. I didn't grow up on that one, but I played that one a ton. Again, that was one of my favorite ones to play because it was just a remake of one of the amazing ones that was already fantastic. But comment down below if you guys are going to be picking up one of the Fire Red or Leaf Green downloads. Again, there's not supposed to be any exclusive content on there, but again, for 20 bucks, I'm down to relive my childhood on a gigantic OLED display or a gigantic just regular display. Ooh, we got the Mega Electrike, or Electrek, I think? Manectric. Psh, come on, who even is this guy? Does he even like Pokemon, right? That's what I keep getting in the comments because I can't pronounce some of the names. But that was a Gen 3 one. I should have known that one. At least the Manectric, not the Mega. The Manectric was part of Gen 3, so I should know that one because those are the ones that I played. But let this thing, ooh, little Litleo. The full art of the Litleo is another one that I want, or the illustration rare. Let's see. Boop. Here we go. So let me know if you guys are going to be getting Fire Red or Leaf Green on the Switch and see exactly what that looks like. One thing that, again, I know that it's not supposed to have any exclusive content like I mentioned, but you are going to be able to use the Pokemon Bank, right? So you'll be able to move your Pokemon from that Fire Red game all the way to like the latest ones if you're able to. Okay, we're getting the hang of this new way. And nope, still nothing, nothing, nothing. What do we got? 3 more packs to go? No, 2 more packs to go. And then that's it. So funny enough, the one solo loose pack was the one that really kind of helped us out. Let's open these up. And then I'm just excited to see what they do for the rest of the sets. I've already seen some of the cool kind of apparel that they're doing to mimic what it was to open up the game in 1996 on the Game Boy, like that first battle, the Gengar versus the Onix. Ooh, dropped one. Jinx, of course, and Kyogre. And last one, again, I have been watching Kiki Rift, and I think Malad is the guy that I've been watching a lot lately, kind of doing the same style, but let's crack this open. Let's let it focus first. And here we go. Oh, skipped one. That's okay. Come on. Can we get the last? Nope. And another regular EX. So 2 EXs and an illustration rare out of 7 packs. Not too shabby, but that's going to do it for this video, everybody. Let me know in a comment down below what you're excited for. Like I said, subscribe to the channel because we're going to have some awesome stuff coming. And I'm excited to kind of talk about Pokemon Presents and also show you guys what the Nintendo store is like moving forward. Get subscribed for some more Pokemon content and comment down below what else you guys want to see next. Peace, everyone.